Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today, I will be discussing about the CompletableFuture and Future in Java. CompletableFuture and Future introduced in Java to handle asynchronous programming, but they have differences in terms of functionality and usage. Future was introduced in Java 5. Future represents the result of an asynchronous computation. It provides methods to check if the computation is done, to wait for its completion, and to retrieve the result. However, its capabilities are quite basic and limited. CompletableFuture was introduced in Java 8 and is an enhancement of Future. It provides a more powerful API for asynchronous programming compared to Future. It not only represents a future result but also provides a variety of methods to compose, combine, execute asynchronous tasks, and handle their results without blocking. Future is generally used with an executor service, and we get a future object when we submit tasks to the executor. However, it doesn't allow us to define any computation steps to be executed once the computation is finished. The get method is blocking, which means it waits until the task is completed and can make the application less responsive. CompletableFuture can be used as a future and also allows us to attach callbacks via methods like then apply, then accept, and then run. These methods let us execute additional actions upon completion of the original task, in a non-blocking fashion. CompletableFuture can also be manually completed. Future does not provide a built-in mechanism for handling exceptions. Exception handling needs to be implemented externally. Exceptions are caught during the get method call. CompletableFuture provides methods like exceptionally and handle to deal with exceptions in a chain of asynchronous tasks. It allows defining a recovery or fallback mechanism within the computation chain. Future lacks native support for combining multiple future instances or creating a sequence of asynchronous operations. CompletableFuture supports combining multiple CompletableFuture instances using methods like then compose, then combine, and all of. CompletableFuture facilitates the composition and sequencing of multiple asynchronous computations. Future primarily relies on blocking operations when calling the get method for retrieving the result of the asynchronous computation. CompletableFuture encourages non-blocking programming. It allows us to process results with functions and actions that get applied asynchronously, thus enhancing the responsiveness of your application. Future does not inherently support the execution of asynchronous code. It's typically used with executor service to execute runnable or callable tasks. CompletableFuture offers built-in support for asynchronous execution with methods like supplyAsync, runAsync, and variants with custom executor. Future is suitable for simple asynchronous operations where we need to perform tasks in a separate thread and retrieve the results later. It's typically used with executor service. CompletableFuture is ideal for complex asynchronous programming needs, including chaining multiple asynchronous operations, error handling, combining results, and implementing non-blocking algorithms. In summary, while Future provides a basic structure for handling asynchronous computation, CompletableFuture offers a much more robust and flexible framework. CompletableFuture caters to complex asynchronous programming paradigms, making it a preferred choice for modern Java applications dealing with concurrent tasks and asynchronous programming. We have reached the conclusion of this session and look forward to seeing you in our next one. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.